Hello everyone, and in this video I'll guide you through the process of creating an account with Starling Bank. But first, please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. To get started, launch the Starling app on your device and click on Get Started. After that, click on Open a new account. At this point you have to select if you either want to create a personal account or a business one. I will go with a personal account. On the following screen, click on Apply Now, and after reviewing what is written, click on Start Application. The next prompt will request your phone number. Enter it, click on Continue, and the app will send a verification code via text. Input the code to proceed. You will be asked about enabling notifications. I advise you to turn this feature on. Next, decide between Face ID, passcode only, or both for added security. I recommend enabling Face ID and passcode. Create a passcode and repeat it when prompted. Then, set a password, click Continue, repeat the password, and submit. Moving forward, fill in your list, middle and last name, and click Next. Provide your date of birth, remembering that the minimum age requirement is 16. Continue by entering your email address and tapping Next. Enter your postcode and house number, and click Search after inputting the details, and confirm your address from the result displayed on the map. Reviewing your details for accuracy, and click Yes to proceed. The app will then guide you through the verification process. First, it requires proof of your ID, which can be a password, driving license, or any government-issued ID. Select one, grant camera access, and capture a photo of your ID. Click Yes once it's completed. The next steps involves recording a video of yourself. Follow the instruction and proceed. Subsequently, provide information about your personal income, answering each question before clicking Submit. Finally, your application will undergo identity verification, and after correct review, you'll gain full access to the Starling app. And there we have it. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.